Hello students, let us read this question. Name the types of following triangle. So in this question we have given different conditions of sides and angles of a triangle, and depending on that we have to identify the type of the triangle. So let us first understand the types of triangle. So we can say that based on sides, there are three types of triangle. So if all all the sides are of different length then we call such triangles as scalene triangles. Then if two sides are equal, if two sides of a triangle, we call such triangles as isosceles triangles. Then if all sides of a triangle are equal, we call such triangle as equilateral triangle. Now based on angles also, we have three types of triangle. So if one angle is 90 degree, then we call such triangles as right angle triangle. Then if one angle is obtuse, we call such triangles as obtuse angled triangle. And if all the angles of triangle are acute, that means they are 90 less than 90 degree, then we call such triangles as acute angle angled triangles. Now let us look at the question. So first question says that we have a triangle with length of sides 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 9 centimeter. So we can see that the length of sides of a triangle are different in this case. So it will be the example of scalene triangle. Let us look at the second question. So for second question, we have a triangle ABC with AB equals to 8.7, AC equals to 7 and BC equals to 6 centimeter. So again, we can say that all the three sides are of different length. So it will be again the example of scalene triangle. Now let us look at the third question. We have a triangle PQR such that all the three sides of a triangle are equal and it is equal to 5 centimeter. So therefore it will be an example of equilateral triangle. Now let us look at the fourth question. The fourth question says that we have a triangle DEF with measure of angle 90 degree, measure of angle D as 90 degree. So we know that if a triangle has one angle as 90 degree, we call such triangles as right angle triangle. Now for the next question, we have a triangle XYZ where measure of angle Y is 90 degree and measure of two sides of a triangle are equal, XY equals to YZ. So since two sides of a triangle are equal, we call such triangle as isosceles triangle, and one of the angle is right angle. So we will call this type of triangle as isosceles right angled triangle. Now let us look at the next question. So in a triangle LMN, we have measure of angle L as 30, measure of angle M as 70 and measure of angle N as 80 degree. We can see that all the angles of this triangle are acute angles. That means they are less than 90 degrees. So we will call such triangle as acute angled acute angle triangle. So using the different types of triangle, we have identified the types of following triangles. So I hope you have understood it well, and thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.